Hello everyone, Andrew here again. Welcome back to my LeadsLeap beginners tutorial part 5. And today we are going to talk about how to make money using LeadsLeap. Okay, so before we get into that, please make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that like button, and also hit that notification bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. In my previous video, we covered some important features for creating your funnel, your marketing funnel, your sales funnel. And exactly we covered list manager, email series, broadcast, blog to broadcast, YouTube to broadcast, and page manager. So all these other features, funnel manager, etc., we didn't cover them. However, I'm gonna go through them in this video really fast, okay? After all, this feature here, funnel manager, as you can see, is quite new. And besides that, also yesterday LeadsLeap just updated this other feature, okay? So time to time, constantly LeadsLeap updates its features. So I didn't have time to really test funnel manager as a feature. All right, so I'm not gonna I'm not gonna show you any results on how I'm not gonna show you how it is in action, okay? But the idea is quite simple. Say if you have a product that you want to sell, all right, and you create 3 landing pages for that product: a thank you page, an opt-in page, and a download page. So it means 3 pages for one product. But what if you have 10 products to sell? It would mean at least 30 or 20 pages, right? So Funnel Manager does that. Funnel Manager does that. You can add a funnel with pages for one particular product, okay? Or for example, if for one product you have different funnels with different pages, you can manage all your pages here. So instead of going on page manager page and search one by one the required pages to create your sales funnel, here is when funnel manager comes into play. However, like I said, I haven't been tested because I didn't have time to test this feature, so that's why I'm not gonna cover it. But after all, it is for a little bit more advanced users than the beginners. After all, this tutorial is for absolute beginners. All right, so let's jump to the next feature. The next feature is form pop-up manager. So here you can create your opt-in forms. It's pretty much the same as creating page manager. All right, now personally I don't use this feature because I do it all in the page manager using only landing pages, and there you can combine landing pages with each other, so that's why I don't use this. But basically an opt-in form is the form that you allow your visitor to enter his or her required details, and you will get us, and he or her will subscribe to your list. So it will look just like this. For example, let's choose a template here. All right, so this is just an opt-in form. It's simple, just some text, the required details, and the moment the visitor clicks on get it now, for example, if you are offering a free an e-course or an e-book or something, or maybe this can be a second page with a download link, all right, and at the same time that they download the free product, but at the same time they subscribe to your list. All right, simple as that. And cookie generator, I'm not gonna talk about this because this is for more advanced users and practically for those who have at least basic knowledge in web developing, in programming, which I don't. I mean, I know something, but I don't know that much. And hosting services are like Leads Magnet. Here you can upload pictures, images to implement to your landing pages, and here you can upload PDFs to give for free to your thank you page, or maybe to the same page where the download link is. Alright, so just click here, upload it from your device, and that's it. Okay, so basically that's it for the remaining features in the tools submenu, guys. The important ones are these here. These are just helpful features. Alright, so let's talk about money. How you can make money with LeadsLeap. There are 4 ways to make money with LeadsLeap: daily active bonus, credit encashment, PPC earnings, and of course affiliate commissions. So let's check them out. Daily active bonus. Now it's kind of like a ad revenue share, like a shared pot, depending on the revenue that LeadsLeap gets according to the credits earned or spent or ad revenue. You get your share of that big pool of bonus. Alright, so there is not a constant conversion, as you can see here, depending also on the credits, but then again it doesn't matter, because here you see 9.5 credits, I earn $0.03, 11 credits, 0.03 again, almost. Alright, so it's not a fixed conversion, a constant conversion. It doesn't have a exact formula, but in order to qualify for the daily active bonus, you just have to click at least 10 ads per day. So you just have to serve at least 10 ads every day, and automatically you will get qualified for the daily active bonus. And surfing 10 ads per day, it's like less than 5 minutes, less than 3 minutes. Alright, credit encashment. Now if you are a pro member and maybe you don't use the credit ads feature in the traffic to get traffic, so when you are a pro member you can post 10 credit ads. These are the ads that you need credits to advertise them. Alright, and say you don't have any of these ads and you want to accumulate your credits, so you can encash them, but the moment you reach 50 credits you can encash them. And again, the conversion is not an exact formula. You need a minimum of 50 credits before you can encash, limited to maximum 1 conversion a day. So this doesn't mean that you can convert only 50 credits per day. Absolutely not. If you earn 2000 credits, you can convert them in total, but the conversion will be every 50 credits. I mean, if you have 169 credits, you can convert only 150. Alright? The next conversion will be in 200 credits. Okay, and there you go. The encash value varies depending on the amount of credits you are encashing. Basically, the more credits you encash, the lesser the encash value per credit will be. Hence, we encourage you to encash as soon as you can. Alright, and again, find out when you should and shouldn't encash, why you should and shouldn't encash your credits. You can read this whenever you have time. Okay, so if you don't advertise, the moment you reach 50 credits, you can encash them. And in general, encashing 50 credits, it's basically around 0.1 or $0.09. Alright, something like that. So imagine if you get 50 credits per day, you are qualified for the daily active bonus, and also you can encash them. Alright, third way to earn money with LeadsLeap is PPC earnings. Now I've mentioned this feature a little bit in my previous videos, and basically you get your JavaScript code or HTML code in order to implement it to your website or landing page, and this code will display ads just like this when a visitor clicks on your link on your website. Okay, and you can choose if you want a responsive or a fixed width, or the number of ads from 2 up to 6 ads, and all category, or you can also target the category for the ads to be shown. For example, if you have a blog where you talk about travel or shopping or marketing system, you can choose one of these. It doesn't make sense if an ad that how to earn Bitcoin if you are talking for makeup, that doesn't make sense. So you have to choose the category if you want to. I leave it all categories because after all, if I put these ads on my web or blog, I'm using it for online marketing, so every category here fits. Alright, and you can also choose the background of the ads, the color of the font here, the title and also the text, etc. You can hide the header, you can hide your affiliate link, and the other feature is this one, show my pro ads only, and this is of course a feature only for pro member. What this does is, if you tick this, if you tick this and then click on get code, this code will contain your pro ads. Alright, your ads that you as a pro member have already created in your pro ads feature. And when a visitor that visits your blog clicks on those ads, you will not earn a PPC click, you will not earn advertising credits, but you will only earn one visitor to your link that you are already promoting on your pro ads. Alright? So if you check that, if you tick that feature, you won't be getting money for every click. You will be just advertising more your affiliate links. Okay, so the moment you click on get code, you just copy it, paste it on your landing page or blog, and this code will display ads whenever a visitor visits your blog. Alright, and every Friday PPC clicks are converted to cash, and again it doesn't have an exact conversion, it depends. Alright, and as you can see, this Friday $3, the next Friday 1.9, 1.4, 1.7, etc. Now if you don't have time to click in order to get qualified for the daily active bonus, but if you get a lot of PPC clicks, that's the same. So if you get every day at least 10 PPC clicks, then you will be automatically qualified for the daily active bonus. And the last feature that I want to talk about in this video is affiliate commissions. These are commissions from your affiliate, which unfortunately I don't have anything. Now let me explain you something. In my first level direct referrals, we are going to talk in the next video and the last video about direct referrals and the rest of the tools, but just to create an idea, my first level of direct referrals, 75 up to 85% of them are 100% inactive. Alright, so that's why until now I don't have any affiliate commissions. However, I get overriding credits, and overriding credits are credits that you earn from your referral surfing throughout all the levels. Again, we are going to talk about that in the next video. Alright, so just a summary here. 4 ways to earn money. Daily active bonus, make sure to surf at least 10 pages every day. Credit encashment, if you don't use credits to advertise, the moment you reach 50 credits you can encash them and earn cash. PPC earnings, just implement the PPC code to your website or blog, and ads just like this will be displayed, and if a visitor clicks on them you earn money and also advertising credits. And affiliate commission, now as a pro member you earn 50% affiliate commission. Okay, it's quite good. Alright, so I think I'm gonna leave this video with that for now, and I'll see you in the next one where we are gonna talk about followers, which are direct referrals, and these other features. Okay, so please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that like button, also that notification bell, so you won't miss the future videos. Until then, wish you all the best. Cheers.